Practicum 10. So the problem statement is dynamic storage of the soil moisture data using malloc function. So first we will using integer define the functions and pointer and the size. So first we will get the size and then using malloc we will put input the size for the pointer. So this is the way syntax for using malloc, and then using for loop we will get the input for the array, and then we will print the reading, and will you print the reading using another for loop to print every single reading, and also calculate the average of the moisture.